Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to cancel or delete subscriptions, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just tap on your Apple ID and here you will find a subscriptions option. Just select that. Now it will verify you or it will take some time in loading. So once you have on subscriptions pages, you might see a this type interface here. So the very first you must see this type screen. So you just have to look for the subscription that you want to cancel. So here you can see this the first one is selected and the second page. So once you have selected any subscriptions, you will see a cancel subscriptions option here. So you just have to tap on the cancel subscriptions option. So once you have selected, your subscription will be cancelled. So in this way, you can easily cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.